What up, world? This your boy, Mr. ATL 1000. That's my new name. Everybody know me. I got Mr. ATL 1000 King. Y'all know that. Y'all know what that is back in the days. And then shout them all. Y'all know me. ATL, born and raised, original. First of all, let me say, excuse my face because I'm trying to grow a beard. Keep up with the style because I'm getting a little old or whatever. But this right here is what I call Tower Kings. This is like my channel, what YouTube call it, my channel. That's what it is, my channel. I ain't paid for shit, but it's my channel. But let me say this also. All my nieces, nephews, anybody underage, anybody know me from church, from any good thing I've done in my life. I might say some things differently than you've heard before, but everything's gonna be alright. It's me. So let's go ahead. What I'm gonna have for you in store is a lot of footage of me on the tower, my co-workers, my whole crew, people you're gonna meet. I'm gonna introduce you to, talk to them down the line, get to know interesting people like I know interesting people. Cause what I do is build cell phone towers, climb cell phone towers, maintenance cell phone towers, anything off the ground, in the air, that's me. Stay high in the air all day. That's what I do. I am the coolest black man on the planet doing this right now. It's written, it's copyrighted, that's me. ATL Finest, Mr. ATL 1000. All right. So, but what you gonna be in store for? I'm gonna try to make it different than you just seeing people on the tower. I seen some footage on YouTube, some white guys who work do the same thing I do, but they not cool as me. They not interesting. They not black. They don't know about the hoods. They don't know about entertaining us, and I want to entertain them also, must I say? But sooner or later, it's all gonna come out, whatever that means. But other things I got jotted down right here, I'm gonna show you details inside the towel business. Like this is a big time business. There's plenty of people getting money. Verizon, y'all talk on cell phones all day. There's plenty of money in this industry. Plenty of money to be given and taken. So I'm gonna show you how to get it, as far as I know, to the point where I'm at now, and the people I know. So you won't just look at it like just a cell phone business. It's boring shit. Nah. It's some fun, it's some interesting, it's some crazy stuff that go on, and if it ain't, I'm gonna make something happen to make sure it's interesting. We got different trials and stuff we go through, talk about that throughout, and show you at the moment when we're going through these trials, which is pretty cool. Like the weather, the heat, freezing ass cold. I was up in fucking Baltimore, dead of winter, freezing my ass off. Shit like that. The height, attacking animals attacking, man. Some goats done tried to get me. I'm talking about ran me off. I ain't scared of nothing that's shorter than me at all. So these goats had me going to the truck, shouted. But tell you about when we have rain days and bullshit around. Tell you about the strip clubs, different towns all over the U.S. From here to the goddamn Bahamas. We gonna try to go to all them, the barber shops. Show you how the hood barbershops in every city. Even if it ain't no hood, we gonna go to the white folk barbershop and talk to them. Make them laugh, do some crazy stuff. So it's a crazy life on the road, man. I just want to put it on tape in my way, in my form and fashion, and try to get it to be on the TV at one point in time, real soon. You see me iced up, man. By the way, talking about iced up is good money in this industry, like I said. Even for somebody who do what I do, climbing towers, working hard every day. Overtime is a mother. Day rates is a mother. Per diem, everything's cool. You can get money. So that's about it. Got some more mess around with some new guys when they first start. We got this one rookie y'all'll meet. You know, he knew he do crazy stuff. He very, very funny. I laugh at him every damn day. But we got good issues, bad issues. Racism is some racism, some drama gonna go down. I guarantee somebody gonna get choked out. Somebody gonna get ran up on, pushed around. You know, just that's the world. That's how it is. It's YouTube. Everybody knows. So I'm gonna try to get some stuff like that going. Everybody that know me, I appreciate y'all checking me out and seeing what I got going on. I'm gonna keep it real, keep it interesting. I'm gonna try to make it happen every chance I can this year. You know, 2010, got to do it. It's the end, but I'm still in it to win it. You know, so pretty much you ain't gonna see nothing right now. It's just me, like another introduction. Check out my day one video that show you some clips of me climbing, and then I got other videos up. But y'all check it out, and it's on. All right, peace. ATL love all day, baby. Mr. ATL 1000, you know, hit me up. Comment. Tell me what you want to talk about. You know, I'll make you famous. Shit. Help me help you. All right, peace.